Have you ever sat down, ready to create your next YouTube masterpiece, only to find your mind completely blank? It's a feeling every creator knows all too well. You stare at the screen, waiting for inspiration, but nothing comes. The pressure builds, and suddenly making videos feels impossible. You've got the camera, the passion, and the drive, but the words just won't flow. It's like your creativity has hit a wall. Writer's block isn't just frustrating, it can actually slow down your channel's growth and make you doubt your abilities. But what if you could break through that block and generate video scripts in just minutes, no matter your niche or experience level? Meet ChatGPT, your always available AI-powered scriptwriting assistant that's changing the way creators work. Whether you make gaming videos, cooking tutorials, tech reviews, or vlogs, ChatGPT is ready 24/7 to help you brainstorm, write, and polish scripts for any channel. With ChatGPT, you'll spend less time feeling stuck and more time actually creating the content you love. Imagine having a full, detailed script ready to go in under 5 minutes. No more endless brainstorming or wasted hours. For busy creators juggling multiple tasks, that's a total game changer. You can focus on filming, editing, and growing your channel. More scripts mean more videos, more uploads, and more opportunities for your channel to get noticed and grow faster than ever. ChatGPT takes your rough ideas and transforms them into ready-to-film scripts, saving you time and energy. All you have to do is tell it your topic or a few key points, and ChatGPT does the heavy lifting, generating structure, dialogue, and even creative hooks. You get a solid foundation to add your personal touch, making each video uniquely yours while saving hours in the process. Consistency is key on YouTube, and with this tool, you can finally stick to a regular upload schedule without the stress. Ready to break through creative blocks, boost your productivity, and make content faster than ever before? Let's dive in and see exactly how you can start using ChatGPT to supercharge your YouTube channel right now. Here's your step-by-step guide to getting started with ChatGPT and unlocking endless YouTube ideas. Getting started is easy. Go to the ChatGPT website by OpenAI and sign up. It takes just a minute. Use your email, Google, or Microsoft account. Verify your email, enter your name, and agree to the terms. Once logged in, you'll see a simple chat interface. Type your instructions, called prompts, into the text box at the bottom. On the left, you'll find your chat history for easy reference. The interface is beginner-friendly and organized. Now, you're ready to tell ChatGPT what kind of video script you want. The secret to a great script? It all starts with a clear, detailed prompt. When you know exactly what you want, you set yourself up for success right from the beginning. Be specific, share your topic, who your audience is, the tone you want, and even the ideal video length. The more details you provide, the better your results will be. For example, you might say, write a 5-minute YouTube script for beginners on baking chocolate chip cookies. Make it friendly, include ingredients, steps, and a call to action. This gives ChatGPT everything it needs to get started. Just hit enter, and in a matter of seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete script for you. No more staring at a blank page. The script usually comes organized with an introduction, main content, and a conclusion, making it easy to follow and ready to use. Take a moment to review the draft. Does it sound like your voice? Is the message clear? If you want to tweak anything, you can. Simply ask ChatGPT to revise it. You can say things like, make the intro shorter, or add a joke to the conclusion, and it will update your script instantly. This back-and-forth process lets you quickly refine your script until it's just right, saving you from endless rewrites. For creators, it's a massive time saver, helping you focus on what matters most, making great videos and connecting with your audience. ChatGPT adapts to your style. Want a funnier script? Ask for a humorous rewrite, need a more professional tone, request a formal version. You can also ask for a stronger hook, clearer explanations, or more details. ChatGPT can simplify complex topics or expand on key points, add calls to action, or tailor the script for your brand. Once you're happy, copy the script and get ready to film. Now let's see how this compares to writing scripts manually. Manual script writing is slow. Blank pages, hours of brainstorming, and the constant pressure to come up with fresh ideas can be exhausting. You might spend an entire afternoon just trying to get the first paragraph right, only to end up feeling stuck or uninspired. The process can be draining, leading to creative blocks and even burnout, but with ChatGPT, everything changes. You start with a simple prompt and within minutes you have a complete script draft ready to go. No more staring at a blank page or second-guessing every sentence. You can easily refine the script, add your unique voice, and get ready to shoot your video faster than ever before. This incredible speed means you can produce more videos, maintain a consistent upload schedule, and see real growth on your channel. The YouTube algorithm rewards channels that post regularly and keep viewers engaged, and AI helps you stay on track. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by deadlines, you'll have more time to focus on filming, editing, and connecting with your audience. Creative burnout becomes a thing of the past. Now, you can experiment with different prompts, styles, and formats to discover what truly resonates with your viewers. The more you use ChatGPT, the better your scripts and results become. Embracing AI means unlocking new creative possibilities and accelerating your channel's growth. Are you ready to take your content to the next level? Start your next script with ChatGPT today and experience the difference for yourself.